What's up, everyone? In this week's episode, I want to take you along with me and take you out to a fun little area, showing you some cool critters, a sea serpent, cool totem poles, and some fun trails. Follow along and let's show you this week's van ventures. Let's take a trip to Lime Hollow Nature Center Art Trail. The sun is shining, it's in the 40s, and I've got my solar charging. I'm stoked about that. Spring is here, and there's no snow on the ground, thankfully. As long as we don't get any more, I am happy. It's all 40s and 50s in the weather right now from what I'm seeing. One positive and negative thing about van life is definitely the fact that I always have a lot of time and can always go to these parks and areas like this to check out and explore the area around us. Lime Hollow Nature Center is a neat little area which consists of 13 miles of trails with different varieties of habitats. Here's their visitor center, which offers bathrooms, some kindling, and check out these awesome benches with the old cross-country skis and the snowshoes. Here's the trailhead that has the maps and shows the trail for us. Today we're going to go on the outside perimeters and check out the brand new wilderness trail. Well, new to us. Grab a map just in case we get lost. Little mental medication right here. Get out here and enjoy nature's finest. Break away. Get away from the daily stressors. Check out this sweet observation deck. Overlooking a little creek that runs into a nice little pond area over here. Now we're going into the Eric Crute Art Trail, which consists of, I'd say, 8 to 10 pieces. And this is the pond that the other deck was overlooking. It's like a maze through here. Better know where you're going. Up here's the totem poles. See, how cool are these things? I love coming to this trail. Beautiful, beautiful sunny day. Nice. Here it is, that sweet sea serpent I was telling you about. This thing's awesome. There's like 4 different sections to it. Now this right here is my favorite one. This looks like a reptile, a lizard. Then you've got the turtle over here playing the triangle. This thing looks like it's from a Dr. Seuss movie. And then this guy over here blowing some kind of horn. He's a creepy looking dude. But this is sweet though. Been out here for years. Alright, now the art trail's done. Now let's go check out the nature trails. A few different ponds. A few different places to stop and sightsee. Come follow along. Now let's go check out their privy. This is actually a nice one. Right here is their toilet. Again, this is nicer than most. They actually have walls around the outsides of them. because there is a lot of traffic that comes through this area. Over on the other side of the trail, this is one of their home bases for the kids to come, and they do their classes and their camps over through here. It's neat. Let's see if this thing will hold me. Probably not. Hey! Oh. That was fun. Here's a pavilion with their picnic tables and some gear. They always have some new projects going on over in this area. The nice little fire pit with a bunch of seats around it. And over here it's some structures that look like they're starting to be built. This right here looks like something you throw a tarp over and then have a nice little shelter. Then over here is more of the natural, all natural shelter. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. Listen to that. Taking it all in. This place has a ton of cool looking bridges, awesome creek crossings, and a bunch of very well maintained trails. Plus, it's never too populated, even during the busy times. Huh. Must be a protective site right up here. Posted. Okay, well, we will not go over to the posted area. Huh. Wow. Oh, okay. That's why. That makes sense. I was so confused at why I had the barbed wire fence here, knowing that this is all Lime Hollow Nature Preserve. All right. Back to the trail we go. I love this stuff though. Look at this terrain. And I haven't seen too many people. Compared to how many cars were in the parking lot, I haven't seen too many people walking around, which is all right with me. Love it. Look at this. Whoop. Oh, shit. Sorry. I didn't mean to swear. Check it out. I feel like I'm in the Adirondacks. I say that about everywhere, though. Anywhere with some crazy terrain. In New York. Reminds me of the Adirondacks. And here is the first time we've seen anybody on the trail. Oh, and she's coming my way. Oh, is she gonna kick my camera? Don't kick it. Whoo! Whew. I'm just thankful she didn't kick the camera. It's nice to get out here and just clear the mind. Oh, this thing is sweet. This bridge is quite a long bridge. There's no railings, which I'm quite surprised. Not that it's too dangerous, but it is quite narrow. Just nice to get out here and think about the next step. Think about life. Just enjoy the time. There are posted signs all over Lime Hollow, so don't be stupid and end up like this guy, all right? We don't need none of this. We don't need any of that. No trespassing. No trespassing or violators will be prosecuted. Watch yourself. All right, now I get it. Don't get me wrong. But I think that's a little overboard. Hang a skeleton right over the border. Whatever. It is what it is. I've never seen that before though. I don't think I've ever taken this trail. Honestly, I figured why not try to get out here and explore different places. So I grabbed the map. This is the wilderness trail. And we're stuck in the wilderness. I love it though. This is nice. Are you kidding me right now? There's not one cloud in the sky. Ah, nice fresh air. All right, I'm bringing you to another shelter that they have in the woods. Not sure. I don't think anybody's here, but there could be people here. Sheet hanging in the door. Hello? We'll see. Check this place out. Right here's a fire pit. Hello? Knock, knock. Oh, nobody's in here. Pretty cool, right? Protection from the weather. Keep you warm, keep you dry. I thought that was neat. They have a few of them scattered throughout the woods here. So it's cool to show you what I can. Oh, well, that was needed. It was just over 4 miles today. But we got in the art trail. We got in one of the new trails, the wilderness trail. And again, one of the best parts about this, when you get done, you get back to the parking lot, and I'm in my house. So I can switch my shoes, get out of the muddy shoes, grab some food, grab something to drink, and relax. After a nice little spring hike.
Check it out. It looks like a deer spine or rib cage.
That's creepy.
As always, we're hiding rocks on our adventures.
We're checking out one of the new trails out near the Gutcha Stadium. Just taking a new area. All right, now we're stopping at Chicago Bog. This is another area of Lime Hollow Nature Center. So just to show you a little bit about these guys, right here is the Chicago Bog with the Phillips family and about the trail. I'll share more about it.
Here's a little bit more about the Chicago Bog area. This trail was made possible by the Phillips family as a memorial to Dr. Arthur M. Phillips Jr., a 38-year resident of Cortland. Dr. Phillips was the director of the Tunison Laboratory of Fish Nutrition for many years before his retirement in 1971. For more than 30 years, the Phillips family spent many happy years and many happy times enjoying the outdoors and learning about the natural history of the region. The Chicago Bog is one of Lime Hollow's most popular natural areas. Along this 1-mile trail, you will discover vermal ponds, an abundance of wildlife, interesting geological features, and of course, the bog itself. All right. Do we go left or do we go right? Let's go right. Which way do we go, George? Which way do we go? Here's a toad jumping away from the water in the trail. I saw a few of them.
Well, that was the wrong way. Whatever. I guess there's never a wrong way when you're just out sightseeing and don't have a time limit, right? And we're off. We're on our way to the bog, but I thought that was an overlook, but I thought wrong. So right there is what we're going down to look at. I'm hoping to put up the drone, but it's a little windy right now, so we shall see it here in a few. There's a nice little overlook down here though.
Hey, we've made it to the end of the video, so check out these cool drone shots. Thanks for sticking around and watching the whole video. If you like these videos, do me a huge favor, smash that subscribe button, keep on coming back for more. If you want to come join the community or support the channel, check out my Patreon or my website in the links below. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next week.